My name is Onofre Nunez. I'm project superintendent for Cornerstone Forming. The job name is Stella Loves, and it's 27,000 square feet per floor, and it's 22 levels.
Cornerstone, after use Ankle-Flex, they saw the value of the material, the productivity that they were reaching out was fantastic. So they purchased more or less 120,000 square feet of shoring that they've been recycling in their jobs.
We pretty much cycle the same equipment, it's light and it's easy to work with it. We are cycle the tables with 8 people on the stripping floor and 8 people sitting and 4 people decking, and we average 3,000 to 4,000 square feet a day. Our relationship with Ulma has been very good and successful. The parts being handled very well. We have equipment on site, and when we request an equipment, Ulma always on time and always good answers, and the engineer being helpful to this job too.
They've been doing a fantastic job with the material. The crew likes, we've been helping them in engineering, so it's a fantastic partnership that we created with Cornerstone so far.